So hi, we'll be starting the OpenClaw installation. So in last video we have seen how to install a VM and setup in UTM. So now we'll install Git inside our Ubuntu inside UTM. So as you can see, Git has been installed. Sudo apt install Git. Then we'll clear out the screen. You can just add that command after the setup. Now Firefox, the previously safe browser. Now OpenClaw, we'll just open this. Side by side, we'll also check on something called NemoClaw. NemoClaw is something NVIDIA built to get on the hype and track and all that, but essentially it's a tool that encapsulates OpenClaw so that it's safe to use. At least that's what they say for enterprises. I mean, there's a lot of things people say for enterprises. At the end of the day, it's just enterprise. So yeah, now we'll go to GitHub. Now as you can see, we'll now have to install OpenClaw. Now here we see it's npm install. NemoClaw is something curl, and then we'll have to do it NemoClaw again. So we'll first go with OpenClaw, then we'll extend NemoClaw as well so that it can cover both. Now once we see NemoClaw, we can see here npm install minus global OpenClaw latest. So but here's the twist, our machine does not have OpenClaw, right? Pardon the messages. Yeah, our machine does not have that npm. So if we paste it here, paste is not here. Let me just copy it real quick. See, VM, you'll have to be careful which one is what. So now here paste is there finally, but oh, we don't have npm. Now we'll have to install npm. So we'll go copy and then we'll just go to paste. Yeah, it's yes. Then we'll have to wait. It should get done pretty easily, but it will take time. For me it took a lot of time, so I just compressed this into 10x. So you'll see how fast it happens here on 10x. And at what point I added 10x? I don't recall, guys. Yeah, right here. So you see this is 10x speed. So at 10x speed, yeah, that's done. Now we'll see, this is normal now. Now we'll do what we'll do. Yeah, we'll do the command npm install minus global open latest. Probably that should be it. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay, now let me grab this and just grab it from up key. Now it should install it. And honestly, it's very slow. I hate slow things, but this is life. This system is also fast enough. I mean, Linux I didn't give enough memory, 4 GB, but my MacBook is 32, so it's very not very. I would say the right adjective here would be it's the best RAM that we can get. Okay, so we encountered error, most probably maybe versioning or something. But for double checking it, we'll have to check it somewhere. Operation rejected. Let me try installing in desktop maybe. Okay, failed. Let me just copy this. Probably known version, but I'm just too lazy to. Okay, Gemini didn't appear inside terminal. Oh, that's nice. Firefox is saved then. Yeah, it does not directly appears, but anyways. Now we'll have to install curl as well. Great. So curl install, then nvm. We are doing nvm because it's the best way to install different node versions. Instead of installing this one solves everything. Now we'll do LTS. LTS is the latest version. Then As you can see, 24. Then now we are installing back again. This also takes a lot of time. I don't really like node deprecations. Yeah. I mean, these are too much hassle to maintain. Okay, looks like they are installed. 458 packages. And speed is nice, but yeah, whatever. Let's go to GitHub. Let's onboard ourselves now. Now here should be the fun part that should begin. Paste. Now, okay, I understand. I can't really proceed forward with no, right? Yeah, but yeah, if you want to read it, just go ahead and read it. Now, quick start manual. Let's just stick to a few steps as possible. Manual. Then local gateway. We don't want any remote things. Then workspace directly. Yeah, sure. We can add anywhere. For this one, I'm not using my Gemini or ChatGPT API. I'll probably give it Grok. Grok is unfiltered, so yeah, this could be an unfiltered thing. Now I'll have to create my key, I guess. By the way, that was my book. Please don't review it yet. Still in the process. Okay, we'll go to our account. I forgot which account I had signed in my Twitter account to. I think I had nearly $5 in my bucket. I'm not sure. Okay, wrong email. Yeah, wrong email. By the way, if you're a recruiter and hiring for a high-paying remote job, I'm available. You can email me at that any of the email address you see. Okay, here we are. Now we'll have to search where the API keys are. Not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here, not here. Not here. Where are those? What? Okay, okay, API and SDK. Then I think, yeah. Okay, I have $5 nearly. So now API keys should be the place. Now the name should be Claw. www. Let me set an expiry date as well. 5 days should be fine. Okay, this is my API keys. I'll change the expiry to tomorrow. Maybe in that window, if you use. Okay, going back. Paste. Now we'll keep the current one. And gateway port, any port is fine to us. Local host is fine. Then token, yeah, we'll go with standard token. Off. What is tail scale now? Tail scale Gemini. What is tail scale? Exposure in OpenClaw. Yeah. I think it's most probably remote sensing or something like that. Yeah, it's safe way to access remotely. So we'll set up off, I guess, how it works. Listens on localhost. Serve it uses tail scale to share local port. Private telnet. Okay. Then for now, we can keep it off. Then this one as well is fine, just generate it. Then chat channels, yeah, sure. Maybe a bit will start with the configuration, but I think this should be sufficient for now to proceed. This is how, guys, we'll set up OpenClaw. Make sure to stay tuned. From this point, it's very easy to set up and interact with it. You can see there are various things we can set up. Here, Telegram is there, WhatsApp, QR link, everything. For Telegram, we'll have to interact with BotFather, create another chat bot, I guess. We won't be logging in from VM. We'll be using main computer because I think I have login data and everything else there. So yeah, this one. Then let me just grab my phone and log into my newly created Telegram account as well. It should be working in some time now. Okay, wrong app, wrong account. Now it should be good. Wrong app again. Yeah, now it is. And yeah, it's there. Okay. So this is how Telegram web looks like for a newly created account. Let's search bot further. So now we can just confirm it. Post confirmation. We'll create a chatbot, new chatbot here, and we'll name it. Any rules? No such rules as such. Just passing on token, copy paste, and we'll be done. So we'll just name it as Clobby. Clobby sounds like Cardi B, but yeah, I think it's probably taken already. We'll have to add a bot at the last for mandatory. Okay, I'll probably add my username as well. It's pretty unique, so it will accept. Yeah, see. So yeah, we'll just copy it. Now I think it's done, configured. We won't be doing WhatsApp because I don't have any additional number to register to. But yeah, these are the options right now. So finish, configure, BMXs, sure. What are these options? There are too many things that I can do. Pairing, unknown DMs, get a pairing code. Okay, got it. Approve, OpenClaw. Do allow list DMs, public DMs, multi-user DMs. Okay, there are a lot of options here. For I think pairing would require every time adding a code there in OpenClaw. Second, allow DMs. Is any specific list or something is there? No, it's fine. Here, there are many options. Brave and DuckDuckGo are good. They're free and all that things. But I guess since we are using Grok API, Grok should be fine. But for just reference, I'll be showing you every option available here. So yeah, every other option is, I think, API key hungry. So yeah, we'll just go with the one we are already doing. Okay, then skills. Should I look at what skills are? Yes, definitely. So we'll be looking at what are the skills we have available here. Here there are many things, but we'll select very few. Claw hub. Okay, we want claw hub. Then it's. I don't think I have a pet that is controllable. I mean that's for that only. Other CLIs uses API keys. I don't want to give so many API keys to this one. Then Google says I don't want to give it so many. These nano PDF. I don't think it requires API key. Option it should not. OpenAI Whisper. It's written no API key, but I'm not sure it's about Whisper or OpenAI. Then OpenU, I have Philips bulb, but I'm not sure. Rest all the things I don't think I'll need it. Just if it's, I think session logs is fine. But yeah, summarize if it's run offline, it's good. Offline meaning not by any other API keys other than Grok, or just by itself. Somehow it summarizes. It would be funny. Now, yes. NPM, we just want to destroy everything, so we'll go with NPM. Nope. Told you I don't need it. No, no, no. Okay. We'll see. Yeah, sure. Why not? This seems fine. Hooks for books, boost memory. Command logger is useful. Bootstrap, I'll include it. Session memory, might as well include this as. Then Node, gateway services, runtime. Yeah, sure. We are having Telegram, so yeah. No, gateway should get this installed. So first option is terminal based UI, second option is UI. If you have used Streamlit or other application that runs like GPT window, this is your queue. So we'll probably go with, I want to go with do this later, but let's go with TUI. New experiences are fun, they said. Who are they? I'm not sure, but it's just a saying, popular one at that. Yeah. Now we finally have our session. Congrats! With this, we have OpenClaw set up. We can listen to it at the ports and all and configure it also, but yeah, might as well just start on this. Okay, thanks guys. We'll catch up on next video.